So how many people know about soul ages? Yeah. So what do you know about these things? Like, what are soul ages? What is our age?
Physical.
Ah,
Maybe body age.
body age means the time you grow and experience, the time you spend, right? Similarly for a soul, no, everyone believes in reincarnation. Yes. Huh? So past lives everyone believes. Okay, no problem. Everyone are Hindus here. Okay. Or Buddhists. Huh? Eastern religions, no Western religions here. Okay. Good. So this soul takes multiple lifetimes in order to mature, in order to grow, in order to evolve and reach certain stage. First, it disconnects from the source, it comes from the source, and then it has various experiences in life, and then it becomes something at the end of this incarnation cycle. So this is what is soul age. Like initially, like during the early part of it, it's called infant soul. Like see, normally in every soul cycle, I think it takes depending on the circumstances and depending on the soul, so it takes different like 10 to 15 incarnations or something like that. So overall, the whole cycle, I think it takes around 200 something in the human life. 200 incarnations, 200 journey. So in order to experience various aspects. So infant soul is something like immediately after being an animal nature, it has come starting to the human kingdom. So these are all human kingdom. In human kingdom, at what stages a soul is. Okay. So there are like 7 stages, and these 5 are very predominant, which we see in our world. And last 2 are like they are evolved souls, and they did not stay in Earth planet. They are enlightened. They are liberated. The last 2 stages, right? Transcendental souls and infinite souls. They can come back again if they want to. So this is what we call as liberation, mukti, moksha.
Yeah, that is moksha stage. Moksha.
Yeah.
Transcendental and infinite.
Yeah. Those are the states of moksha.
Okay.
Where after this old soul, a soul gets enlightened, a soul gets mukti, and it becomes transcendental. Okay?
It has its own control, means it
Yeah.
can go and it can come back
Yeah.
on its wish.
Yeah, on its wish. So this is how the evolution happens. Initially we will be infant souls, and then we will be baby soul, we will be young soul, we will be mature soul, we will be old soul, we can be transcendental soul and infinite soul. Okay, that's how we evolve. In our family also there will be group. It will always not be like I have all my family members are old souls. It cannot be like that. So there is always this combinations. Like some people in our family might be young souls, and some people might be infant souls also, and sometimes old souls are also there. And most of the times old souls get lot of torture from these young souls, or what we call infant souls, baby souls. They do lot of torture to old souls, and that's one of the lessons old soul has to learn. So this is how the whole game happens with the souls.
So we can be at any stage right now
Yeah.
of this.
Yeah. So you have done some exercise, then we'll come to that where we'll understand where you stand.
Sir, how can we know our age?
So you have done some exercise, right? So for this only you have done this exercise to know where you stand.
Yeah.
Yeah. So during an incarnation cycle, we evolve through normally the 5 soul ages are normal stages. Like normally these are 5 basic things which are talked about. So transcendental and infinite souls, we did not understand more about it, but these are some things we need to understand. Like infant soul, baby soul, young soul, mature soul, and old soul. Each of these soul ages offer various lessons and perspectives to explore during the life. one soul age is not better than the other. This is very important. We cannot tell I am old soul is better than young soul. Everywhere its own lessons are there. It's like telling human beings are better than dogs. So everything has its own significance. Every soul has its own significance. So we cannot condemn someone. You are a baby soul. You are an infant soul. I am in third day. You are in Mooladhara. No, that this is spiritual condemnation. We do spiritual condemnation also. So that also we did not do. So in this system,
जाति भेद नहीं है, जाति भेद नहीं,
jati bhed nahi. Huh? So that's the lesson we have to learn. In this system, however, no soul age is considered better or worse than other. One should not presume that soul ages are hierarchical, or that being an old soul is more desirable than being a young soul. All concepts that imply spiritual advancement squarely in the realm of the ego.